Nobody can tell me that this is not my hair. Let me start by saying thank you to QVR for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. I knew the type of twists I wanted from the word go and I love the results. So QVR sent me 5 packs of the Afro Kinky bulk hair in the color natural and 22 inches long. Right off the pack, the hair felt like super smooth and it had no smell. Since it was loose hair, I had to prep it before installing. I didn't know how to go about it since it was the first time I was working with this type of hair. I did manage to get a few tutorials from other creators and they came in handy. So I first sectioned the hair to avoid wastage. I ran my fingers through one of the sections to remove any loose hair. After that, I sprayed some water to define the curls and then ran my fingers through that section again. As for the installation, I sectioned my hair into 4 and started at the back. I decided to use the knotless method mainly because I wanted the twists to look as natural as possible. I also thought I should mention that QVR ships to most parts worldwide, so go ahead and grab this hair today. I will leave a link to this hair in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section in case you have a question and I'll be sure to get back to you. So this is how the first section turned out, and this is the second section. Again, I prepped the hair this way throughout, and I think this also helped in reducing wastage of the extension, which is why I ended up using 3.5 packs only. Of hairstyles that you can do using this type of hair are a lot. For example, you can get some mini braids, some micro locks, some micro twists. Guys, this is over 10 hours later. The twists turned out full, which is what I wanted. Let me just say I was surprised by how lightweight they were I didn't expect that. So I went ahead and applied some water, curling cream and mousse. This defined the curls that were looking all frizzy. I let the hair dry and this is the after. As you can see, the curls are really popping and the twists look juicy and fluffy. Now my hair is good to go for the next 2 months or so. I can even do a retouch since I have some hair left. Guys, this hair is a must try. I love the fact that you can dye it and reuse it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.